how to fix TikTok live option not showing up. So if you are not being able to go live on TikTok, then let's first open up TikTok application. And then if you simply go to the bottom middle side, which has that plus icon, from here on the bottom side you can simply scroll right side, and after that templates you will have a live option. So if you don't find that live option here, then that means you are not eligible to do that live. So for example, if you go back and if you go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and here you can simply see that I don't have any followers, or I'm not following that much persons, or I'm not getting that much likes. So to be able to go live on TikTok, you need to first have your followers and then some likes, and you have to post certain videos. And after getting the maximum followers, for example, after getting more than 1,000 or 2,000 followers, then you will be able to go live. Only after that you will have that live option. So I don't have that much followers, so that's why I don't have that live option. So if you want to go live, then first upload some videos, get some likes and get some followers, and then you will have that option. And even after having the followers and all that, if you don't find that live option, then that means your TikTok needs an update. So to update, you have to simply open up your Play Store, and then you can go for the search bar and search for TikTok. And after searching, now here I have an update option, right? So simply if you have an update option same like this, then you can simply tap on update, and you have to update your TikTok application. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. And even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to restart your device. So simply hold on to that power button, and here on the upper right side you will have a restart option. You can simply tap on restart, and that's it. So these were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.